Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the meat pan in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new meat pan. The meat pan is the top drawer out of the 3 drawers in the fresh food compartment. The main reason why the meat pan would need to be replaced is if it breaks and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. And now to remove the meat pan, we just simply slide it out. Well, we need to remove these 2 bushings from the ends of the meat pan. I'm going to use a small flat blade screwdriver. Going to insert it and pry this off. And then this side. This is the old meat pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is a new meat pan, and we're going to push on this couple of bushings. If you look at them, you will see that one side is a little longer than the other side, so we're going to install the longer side on the top, like this. It's going to be pushed on. Then we're going to do the same thing here, the long side on the top. And we're just going to slide it onto this frame. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.